Flow in 10 about Supabase and Google Sheet. So how does it work? Basically, when there is any change in the database of the Supabase, then this webhook gets triggered and it's copy the data which has been appended on the Supabase to this Google Sheet. So let me show you how I made this. So this is my Supabase .com dashboard, and here you can see that on this dashboard I have created a table which is products. Here you can see that it is ID, name, price, and credit date. So let me refresh it. So here you can see that the table is empty. So now I'm going to insert into the table. Before that, you have to set up following things, which are you have to make a function notify new row, so that whenever there is any change in the database or table, you will have to give the webhook. I have given my webhook. Here you can see that super base new row in this, and after you have to execute it by running this button. After that, you have to insert something into the table. For example, I have this. So first I will run the workflow. Here you can see I have executed the workflow. Now I will run the command. So you can see that command has been successfully inserted. So here you can see that the webhook captures something. Let me show you. So it has captured the ID number 10, test product 199, and here you can also see that the test product in 199 is the name and price of the data inserted. So let me show you in the table. Yes, it has also been captured here. 9 test product in 199 is the price and time is this. So here after that I have attached a Google Sheet. So all the data which has been captured like ID, name, price, and credit date has been inserted into this Google Sheet, and Google Sheet appended this. So let me show you on my sheet. Here you can see that ID 9, name, test product, price 199, and operation is this. So here you can see that it has already captured all the things, and this is my simple workflow with a webhook and Google Sheet, which stored the database changes from the Supabase into the Google Sheet. Thank you.